CBSE to conduct live webinar for learning and socio-emotional well-being. Assam State Board Class 12 exams to be held in July-August. Technical Education Department to clear status on exam in 2 to 3 days. Jammu and Kashmir Board of Secondary Education cancels exams for classes 11 and 12. IIM Kozhikode announces scholars for future awards for early stage PhD students. Study reveals that Indians have high skills in machine learning and math but lack data skills. Madhya Pradesh school students orphaned due to COVID will get free admission in private schools through lottery system. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You are watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education will conduct live webinar sessions for learning and socio-emotional well-being. CBSE has partnered with CISCO for the live webinar session where students, parents and others can participate by registering themselves. The event will be conducted from 4 pm to 5 pm today, that is 10 June. The webinar will be conducted under CBSE Health and Wellness series, and the duration of the session is for 1.5 hours. The webinar can be attended on the official YouTube channel of CISCO or CBSE. Apart from this, CBSE will also conduct webinars for teachers and students on the Young Warrior Movement. These webinars will be conducted on June 11th from 11 am to 12 noon and June 16th from 11 am to 12 noon. The webinar on the first day will be for principals and teachers, and on the second day will be for students. The much delayed Assam Higher Secondary Education Council Class 12 final examinations will take place in July-August, a letter from the State Board said on Wednesday. The exams were scheduled to commence on May 12th but were indefinitely postponed due to the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. AHSEC Controller of Examinations Pankaj Borthakur wrote a letter to all the in-charges of examination centers across the state and asked them to scout for more venues to maintain COVID-19 protocols while holding the tests. It is for your kind information that Assam Higher Secondary Education Council is going to conduct higher secondary final examinations 21 in the month of July-August 2021. He said in the letter. He further asked the in-charges of the examination centers that have more than 400 candidates to take any nearby government or provincialized academic institutions as venues to maintain COVID-19 protocols. The Uttar Pradesh Technical Education Department will issue elaborate guidelines on status of examinations in 2 to 3 days, an official said after several engineering, pharma and management students took to social media expressing their grievance over suspense on the issue. Alok Kumar, Technical Education Secretary, said, "It will be decided shortly. Most likely we will be able to come up with our action plan within 2 to 3 days. The online exam for the final year BTech students unlikely before mid-July, while for first year students most likely it will be in August." Kumar, who is also secretary to the Chief Minister, said, "As of now, we will try to hold online exams for all students. The examination will be objective type only. In the meantime, the department staff are working to develop a software so that it may work in all types of devices and processors, and students are able to write examinations from their home with ease. Now students need to prepare for the exam." Following the queue of other state boards, the Jammu and Kashmir Board of Secondary Education has decided to cancel the Class 11 and 12 board exams amidst the second wave of COVID-19. In view of the safety and well-being of students due to COVID pandemic, all pending JKBOSC examinations session 2020-21 for final exams of classes 11th and 12th across Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, for which examination and results are awaited, are called, the LG office of Jammu and Kashmir tweeted. It further states that the detailed procedure for publishing results along with a scheme of marking will be completed by JKBOSC shortly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a high-level meeting on June 1st, decided to cancel the Class 12 CBSE board exams. Other boards like CISCE and NIOS also followed suit and cancelled the board exams. As part of its Silver Jubilee celebrations, Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode has announced Scholars for Future 2021 award program for early stage doctoral students in management category from the institutes and universities ranked in the NIRF rankings. The award program is the brainchild of IIMK's current director Professor Debashish Chatterjee and invites futuristic and innovative research proposals on selected themes from students pursuing PhD or an equivalent program. The program not only offers cash incentives but will also see the winners receiving expert mentorship from renowned faculty from IIMK and the opportunity to publish and present their paper in a journal and top IIMK conferences. Announcing the launch, Professor Chatterjee shared, "For this award program, we are inviting futuristic research proposals with deep contextual reference to India. We are flexible to any business theme other than in the list which addresses key priorities of India with exceptional research potential." Despite high skills proficiency in areas like machine learning and math, India lacks in data skills, reveals a report by online learning platform Coursera. India ranks 55 in business and 66 in both technology and data science. In Asia, India is placed at 16, ahead of countries such as the Philippines and Thailand, however below others like Singapore and Japan. As per Coursera's Global Skills Reporting 2021, India ranks 67th globally. Despite the increase in enrollments, India continues to witness a digital skills gap, the report reveals. The study draws on performance data since the pandemic's onset from more than 77 million learners on the platform to benchmark skills proficiency across business, technology, and data science for over 100 countries. A report by AWS estimates that digitally skilled workers represent only 12% of India's workforce, and the number of employees requiring digital skills is expected to increase ninefold by 2025. WEF and PwC reveal that national upskilling initiatives could unlock India's potential to achieve a much faster pace of economic growth and improve the employment rate. However, workforce displacement due to the subsequent waves of the pandemic is compounding the existing gap. The School Education Department of Madhya Pradesh has come to the aid of students who lost their parents due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As per the latest order issued by the department, the students who were eligible in the last session and the children who were orphaned due to the corona period will get free admission in private schools with priority in the online lottery. Application for free admission will begin on June 10th and the last date to apply is June 30th. The lottery will be drawn on June 6th for online admissions. Amidst the pandemic, keeping the safety and health of students as priority, the state government had also announced its decision to cancel the MPBSC Class 12 board exams due to the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Earlier, the exams were postponed and the school education department was figuring out a way to conduct the offline exams in July. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.